Have you ever felt like your nails could use a little extra strength, but don't want to compromise on appearance? Well, today I'm reviewing a product that promises to tackle both. It's the Butter London Nail Strengthener for damaged nails, or as they call it, their Sheer Wisdom Nail Tinted Moisturizer. It's a nail hardener and care product all rolled into one, designed not only to strengthen, but to improve the look of your nails while you're using it. So what's this product all about? This is a nail strengthening polish that works by combining hardening properties with a sheer tinted finish. At 0.4 ounces, it's compact and easy to carry around, but don't let its small size fool you. It's packed with potential. The idea behind this product is pretty simple. It's not just about making your nails look good temporarily, but also strengthening them over time. It's formulated to help heal damaged nail beds, adding a layer of protection to brittle or peeling nails. If you're someone who struggles with nail breakage or thin, weak nails, this could be something worth considering. Now let's talk application. It's surprisingly easy to incorporate into your routine. The sheer, slightly tinted polish glides on effortlessly, and while it's not a full coverage color, it gives your nails a healthy, subtle glow. It dries quickly, so you don't have to wait around forever, and the best part, you can layer it, depending on how much coverage or tint you prefer. I found that after just a couple of uses, my nails felt noticeably less fragile. No more constant breaking or splitting every time I reach for something. But let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how it actually works. The polish is infused with ingredients that not only protect, but promote healthier nails over time. And if you're looking for a polish that doesn't just cover, but improves your nails in the long run, this could be a win. However, I did notice that after a few days of wear, my nails felt firmer, though not necessarily dramatically stronger. If you're expecting instant results, that's not gonna happen. It's more of a slow, steady process, but I'd say the gradual improvement is definitely there. On the pros side, I love how it doesn't have that thick, goopy texture that can make nails feel heavy. It's lightweight, and the sheer finish makes it versatile for everyday wear. It's also a great option if you're someone who likes a natural nail look, but still needs a little boost in strength. The cons? Well, the strengthening part could be a bit more immediate, especially if you're dealing with really weak nails. It takes a little bit of time to see real improvements. If you're someone who's looking for an instant fix, this product won't hit the mark right away. As for value for money, considering the size and the fact it's both a nail care treatment and polish in one, I'd say it's fairly priced. Yes, there are cheaper options out there for basic strengtheners, but if you're someone who likes the added benefit of a subtle tint without layering multiple products, this is a great middle ground. If you're shopping around, a product like Sally Hansen's Miracle Cure could be a more affordable alternative if you want a pure strengthening treatment without the tint. However, I'd say the added tinted feature makes this a standout for those who like a polish and treatment in one. Build quality is pretty solid for a nail polish. The formula doesn't chip or flake quickly, and the packaging is compact and easy to use. It's not bulky or difficult to handle, making it travel-friendly. I've used it for a few weeks now, and there hasn't been any change in the formula or texture, so it looks like the longevity will be just fine. If you've used Butter London products before, you probably already know that they tend to have excellent customer service. In my experience, the brand's support team is responsive, offering timely assistance if you have questions about their products or need guidance on usage. As for alternatives, I'd suggest looking into OPI Nail Envy if you're focused solely on strengthening nails without the tint. It's a tried and true product for many, though you won't get that subtle polish finish with it. In conclusion, if you're looking for a nail treatment that does double duty, strengthening your nails while giving them a soft, natural look, this could be just what you need. It's perfect for those with weak nails looking for a gradual improvement. It's not going to give you overnight results, but with consistent use, it does work over time. I'd recommend it for those who are more patient with their nail care regimen. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.